shower time. Shower time, we gotta go. So I just posted this political thing on Facebook. And it's like everybody's got their opinions and their blah, 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 whatever. I'm not gonna get political on this vlog, don't worry. All I'm gonna say is just don't vote for somebody who has a platform based on hate. Hate, anger, fear, all those things.
Fear is the path to the dark side. Fear leads to anger. Anger leads to hate. Hate leads to suffering.
Okay, ballroom class today. It's a gorgeous day, but it's also February, so I don't know why it's such a gorgeous day. Is today Sunday? Why is the mailman out? I showered, and I'm putting on deodorant.
Before he leaves, I need his help putting something out. I need to put that bar up.
I'm not leaving.
Oh, I thought you were leaving.
Where do you think I was going?
I don't know, you look like you were leaving. You got put your coat on, you're walking that way.
I'm gonna take advantage of this windy day, let my car air out, because it stinks. I'm gonna go play basketball for the first time, maybe like 2 years. Seriously though, I haven't played basketball in like 2 years. Oh, that didn't sound good. I'm gonna go to bed. Short vlog today. Sorry about that.